I think that's about the second or third one. I found a nice diamond encrusted Michael Kors flip-flop last week.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow, someone had a crazy night, I guess. Hey guys, it's Hannah, and on this episode of Grime Fighters, we are learning how the city cleans trash and grime out of our bike lane. So tell me how it works. You have bristles, you have water, you have a suction. Go through that whole process of how the street sweeper does its job.
It has joystick controls. You engage the PTO where you bring the brooms out with the joystick, and then as the brooms spin, they kind of bring the debris into a line, and it lines up with the suction head that's underneath of the machine. There's a fan that's up in here, it creates the vacuum.
Okay.
So that's what kind of sucks up all the debris. And even sometimes a little bit of stuff that's off to the side, it'll pull it in.
Basically, it's like a powerful big vacuum.
Yeah.
It looks just like it. Tell me a little bit about what it's like driving Sweeping Beauty and people seeing you on the streets. I think you said that people will like wave at you. It's kind of a famous little truck.
I get a very positive reaction from the public. People wave at it, people point. Some people laugh or giggle or whatever, but overall it's been like a really positive feedback that we're getting with it.
Talk to me a little bit about why it is so important to clean the streets and especially the bike lanes.
The debris that builds up along the curbs or in the street, it can wind up in the storm drains, which goes to the bay, goes to the river, goes to our water sources and whatnot. It's important to get all that debris up so it doesn't wind up in the inlets and into the water sources.
All right, Darrell, well, thank you for letting me ride around with you today. It's super cool learning more about the mini sweeper, and we appreciate you. What you do is awesome, and I mean, keeping our bike lanes clean is a little bit of a grimy job, but someone's got to do it, right?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we appreciate you. You're one of our city's unsung heroes.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely, and I hope that I get to see you around town.
Most definitely.
I'll give you a thumbs up when I do.
All right, I'll look for it.